Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saru Srivastava, and today I am going to start last part of the chapter 5, Seeds and Seeds. Students, today's topic is Velcro and which plant come from where. So let's start the topic. Students, Velcro. Velcro is a combination of French words velour, which means hook. Now, what is Velcro? Velcro is a hook and loop is the generic term for Velcro. Students, Velcro is invented by George de Mestral. George de Mestral is a Swiss engineer. He was born June 19, 1907 and he had died 8 February 1990. And students, in 1940, while hiking in Tura mountain in Switzerland, George Mestraldi, who was a engineer, realized that idea. When he walking, he see a cactus stuck on his pant and his dog fur. Velcro is a kind of adhesive, easy to apply, peel and stick, faster that provide a permanent bond to fabric with no sewing, gluing or ironing required. Students, Velcro is used for many purposes like in shoes, wrapping paper from unrolling, bundle fishing poles, plants ties, clothing iron cord, wrap, etc. Also used in your school bag, purse, belt, etc. Now students, your last topic is which plant come from where. Students, all of you know that every plant needs different environment to grow. So today we discuss about their history, where they come. Students, all of you love vegetable. Here is given some vegetable and we will discuss about their origin. All of you like tomato, potato and green chili. All of you know where these vegetables come from here. These are come from here, from the South America. As like you love cabbage and also pea. These are come from here. Some people love to drink coffee. Coffee is a drink and mostly people love this. This is come from Africa and also all of you like bhindi, that is known as lady finger. It is come from here, from Africa. Some students, some children like spinach. These are come here from Iran. All of you know radish. Where these vegetable come here? These are come here from China. Students, mango, orange, banana, methi and brinjal. These are all of our Indian origin. So all of you know about these vegetable, where they come from here. Have a good day.